Welcome everyone. Let's start by sitting on the mat with your legs crossed. Your neck and shoulders are relaxed. Close your eyes. Keep your back straight. Your palms resting on your knees. And just start by taking a deep breath in into your nose and a deep breath out through your mouth. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, grounding yourself to this present moment. Leave everything that happened in the past or that is going to happen in the future. Just leave it all outside of your mat, of your room. Be completely here with your body and with your mind in this space. You might be having many thoughts in your head, thinking about so many different things. It is completely okay, but just for this moment, just for this practice, observe your thoughts as if you were watching them from a different place. Observe whatever that is happening in your head, in your life. And notice how you're feeling today. If you're having any tensions or any stress in your body or in your mind. Allow yourself to feel anything, to observe everything that is happening inside you. Whatever you are feeling, either negative or positive, just see and observe calmly and gently, without adding any judgments or comment. It is completely okay to feel the way you are right now, and to allow any emotions, any feelings to be inside you right now. So in this silent moment before beginning this practice, become aware of anything that is happening within you and learn to observe them calmly and gently with kindness and compassion. Coming back to your breath, taking an inhale in and an exhale out. Whenever your mind is wandering, or whenever you are going somewhere else with your head, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Your breath is the guiding force and is anchoring you into this present moment, into this room, into your body. just take a deep inhale in and exhale. Take this little moment to focus on your breath, to be with your breath. And let's start our practice. Slowly open your eyes. So let's start today in standing. We will do a few rounds of Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. So let's stand in front of the mat with your feet together and bring both of your hands at the heart center. You're standing tall, back straight, shoulders relaxed, pelvis tilted. Just take a moment here, and with the inhale, you will bring both of the arms up toward the sky, slightly arch your back, look up, and slowly exhale, bring both of your hands to the mat, bend your knees, complete forward fold. You can also extend your knees if you want. And with the inhale, bring the right foot back, looking up. And with the exhale, you will bring the left foot back, going into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Now you can bend your knees one by one to give a nice stretch here. It is your first downward facing dog of the practice, so stretch your back, stretch your legs. And slowly bring both of the knees on the floor. And with the exhale, bend the elbow, bring your chin and chest on the ground. And with the inhale, lift your chest up, Bhujangasana. With the support of the hands, now go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Taking a deep inhale. And exhale, bring the right foot to the front, looking up. And exhale, left foot front, complete forward bend. And taking an inhale, open yourself up, bring both of the arms up toward the sky, looking up, taking a deep inhale in, and exhale, palms and hands to the heart center. Let's go on the other side. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, both of the arms down. Hasta-padasana. Now with the inhale, bring your left foot back, looking up, Ashwasancharanasana, and exhale, right foot back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Taking a deep inhale, bring your knees down, and exhale, bend your elbows, and bring the chin and chest on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. Now you can try to lift the hands off from the floor, and exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Taking a deep inhale in, bring your left foot to the front of the mat, looking up, and exhale, bring your left foot front of the mat, complete forward bend. Inhale, bring the arms up toward the sky, Hasta Uttanasana. And exhale, bring both of your hands to the heart center. Close your eyes, catch your breath here. Feel the energy moving into your body. And let's do again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, right foot back, Ashwasana. Exhale, left foot back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, knees on the floor. Exhale, chin and chest to the ground, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana, lift your hands off from the floor. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Keep your back straight, legs straight. Inhale, right leg front, looking up. And exhale, left foot front, complete forward bend. Inhaling, bring the arms up, Hasta Uttanasana. And exhale, hands to heart center. Left side, inhale, arms up toward the sky. And exhale, complete forward bend, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, left foot back, looking up, Ashwasana. Exhale, right foot back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Straighten your legs, stretch your back. Inhale, knees on the floor. Exhale, chin and chest to the floor. Inhale, look up, Bhujangasana. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Give yourself a nice stretch here. Bring the left foot to the front, looking up, Ashwasana. And right foot front, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, bring both of the arms up, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, release. Now let's do that one more so that we do 3 rounds in total. Inhale, bringing your arms up, open your chest up. And exhale, complete forward bend, giving a nice stretch to the legs. Inhale, right foot back, open your chest. And exhale, downward facing dog. Straighten your legs and back. Inhale, knees on the floor. Exhale, chin and chest to the ground. Inhale, look up. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Taking a breath here. Inhale, right foot front, looking up. And exhale, left foot front. Release yourself down to the floor. And inhale, bringing all the oxygen into your lungs. And exhale, release. Let's go on the other side. Inhaling, bringing the arms up. And exhale, complete forward bend. Inhaling now, left foot back, looking up. And exhale, right foot back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhaling, bringing your knees on the floor. And exhale, chin and chest to the ground. Inhaling, looking up, Bhujangasana. Keep your back, strengthen, and exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhaling, bringing the left foot front, looking up, and exhale, right foot front, complete forward bend. Inhaling, bringing your arms up toward the sky, open up, and exhale, hands to the heart center. Amazing job. Now you can close your eyes, catch a breath here, feeling the energy generated, the heat, the warmth. And now let's come to the center of the mat, sitting in cross-legged position to just close off this practice. So you can close your eyes and bring the hands and palms against each other at the heart center. And for a moment, come back to your breath and feel the energy, feel the warmth in your body. Feel the movement, your body waking up, and just connect to the silence within you in this moment. Thanking yourself for this beautiful practice, for this little 15 minutes moment that you gave yourself today for your health and for your well-being. Bow down to the floor, giving thanks to all teachers of yoga, and come back up. Open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today in this practice. I wish you a wonderful moment, a beautiful day. Namaste.